Hi Kitty, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a street sign, so let's get started. First, start by drawing a line down and a line to the right. Again, a line here and connect it. Then draw a line down and a little curve here. And here too. Now draw two round big eyes, insert with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. With 3 lines. And a mouth. Now we have a street sign. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.